We are committed to the empowerment of women, said Chief Minister Y. Jagan Mohan Reddy on Friday. He launched the YSR Asra scheme at his camp office. On the occasion, the CM said that he had promised to repay all debts by the time of the election and had launched the scheme, keeping his promise. He said 87 lakh women were indebted to the tune of rupees 27,000 crore and were being repaid in 4 tranches through YSR Asra. We are depositing rupees 6,792.20 crore in the first installment. We want to help women through multinational companies like PNG and HAL and implementing welfare programs for toddlers to grandparents to provide nutrition food for mothers and children with YSR Sampurna Poshana Plus, Jagan said. He said that Amma Odi is being implemented for the students from 6 years of the age, which will benefit 82 lakh students. The Chief Minister further said that they are implementing free reimbursement scheme for higher students and 1800 crore are areas paid by the previous government and launched YSR Vasati Divana for students staying and studying in hostels. We had spent rupees 1400 crore under zero interest to provide finance aid to SC, ST, BC and minority women aged 45 to 60 years with rupees 18,750 per annum, he said. CM Y. Jagan clarified that they are ready to provide housing to 30 lakh beneficiaries. He added that some people were deliberately upstanding the program. We are giving a pension of rupees 2,250 to women above 60 years, he said. He said the Disha Act was brought in for the protection of women and 43,000 belt shops were removed to control alcohol. Meanwhile, the names of the beneficiaries of the YSR Asra scheme have already been placed in the village and ward secretariats. If there are any communities whose names are not on those lists by mistake despite eligibility, they should immediately apply to the village and ward secretariats, be investigated and sanctioned, Jagan said. It is revealed that the government has already taken with a number of companies to provide all possible assistance to women who want to start their own business with the money.